when you're giving your players loot, don't make this mistake where they suddenly kill the big bad evil guy and they get all this awesome stuff that the big bad just didn't use. It sounds so stupid, so dumb, because think about it. If there was this big bad who had all of this cool gear and potions and all sorts of useful items, but they didn't use it in the battle, that makes no sense. Instead, here's what I recommend that you do. You take out a bunch of different loot items that you want to give out in advance, and then you show them to the players through telegraphing, to demonstrating. For example, if there's a potion of haste, you show when the players are either picking up rumors or they're doing recon, that the boss is suddenly moving super fast. Or maybe if there's slippers of spider climb, then you show the boss, let's say a big meaty ogre, just calmly walking up the side of the walls like Spider-Man. When you're telegraphing this, it does a couple of things. First, players understand that, oh, this boss is not just another regular ogre or a goblin boss, but they actually have like some unique and nifty abilities. Two, you get a way to justify whatever cool shit that you want these bosses to do. And three, let's say during the combat, things aren't going their way. The boss can end up destroying these items.
If you can't have it, nobody can.
Or if I can't have it, nobody can. You get the drift. How cool would that be? Huh? So go ahead, try that out in your next game, and leave a comment below about how it goes.